But we will take a couple quick questions if you have them, but please be respectful of the fact that we have to get out there, and lots of flights will be canceled if we don't get out before this big storm hits. Gates, do you want to?
David, Fox News.
Okay, so question about Memphis first.
Sure.
A couple off topics. On Memphis, Washington, D.C., check. Memphis, check. What's next?
It's a good question.
Where is next?
Well, we hope a governor reaches out like Governor Lee reached out to President Trump. Let's see. If you want to make your city safe, call President Trump. But we'll see. You know what? Regardless of whether you're going to cooperate or not, Donald Trump has made it very clear he's going to keep all Americans safe, whether you're helping us or whether you're not, as an elected official. And here in Memphis, we're blessed to have a mayor. I wish we have our deputy mayor here today. I wish the mayor could be here with us today, but we all talk to the mayor so much, and Chief Davis and Sheriff Bonner, thank you for everything you're doing, and that's what it's about. So we hope some other cities who are in desperate need of help reach out to us. And we are talking to a couple mayors now, we'll tell you that. But
Wonderful.
you probably would be unexpected, so.
Okay, and then if I could just get your reaction to the James Comey with
Sure.
James cases being dropped today. Back in Washington, James Comey put out a video. He said this matters most because a message has to be sent. The President of the United States cannot use the Department of Justice to target his political enemies. Your reaction to the cases being dropped into that specific message?
Sure, we'll be taking all available legal action, including an immediate appeal, to hold Letitia James and James Comey accountable for their unlawful conduct.
What is your reaction to his statement?
I'm going to keep going on this. I'm not worried about someone who has been charged with a very serious crime. His alleged actions were a betrayal of public trust. So.
Matthew Folder.
Thanks, Attorney General Bondi. Could you be a little more specific on what your message to Democratic governors and Democratic mayors is based on the success that you've seen in cities like Memphis that we have here? And are you optimistic that any of them are watching right now to learn the lessons from the successes of the Memphis Task Force to try and bring this to their cities ahead of Thanksgiving and ahead of the holiday season?
Sure, we want to help all governors. We want to help all mayors who need President Trump's help. Look what we've done in D.C. Look what Donald Trump's leadership has done right here in Memphis. You don't have to be of the same political party. Clearly, this is about keeping Americans safe. If you want to talk to anyone, go out and talk to the residents of Memphis who have been very vocal about what has been done by the leadership of all the people behind me and sitting in this audience to make their great city safe again. We want to help anyone, regardless of political party. Alana.
I have an on-topic and an off-topic,
Sure.
if you'll allow me. The arrest from the task force has been a strain on the criminal justice system here and a compounding problem with the local jail. What is the federal government doing to support the Memphis criminal justice system?
You wanna take
this can,
Yeah, I'm going to let Director Serralto take that. He's been working on that.
Yeah, so a couple of things have been done. First of all, we're taking every case we can federal. Our U.S. Attorney here, Mike Donovan, is a pioneer in taking these cases federal. The other issue that we have is on the state court side. It seems like the criminal cases are taking too long to see their way through the wheels of justice, if you will. So we're open to working with the state prosecutor's office in order to shorten that period of time and get some of these cases flowing. So if we don't speed up the process, it's going to continue to back up. But I'm going to tell you what the answer is, right? Because we can't put them through the criminal justice system does not mean that it's a free pass to commit crimes. So we're going to keep arresting folks. They keep committing crimes, we're going to keep arresting them.
Alana, you had a follow-up, and then we've got to get outside and get to.
just real quick,
Sure.
if I can ask, what happens to U.S. Attorney Halligan now? Will she remain in her position while the appeals process plays out? And does that threaten to upend other cases in the office if you guys don't win an appeal?
It does not. We have made Lindsay Halligan a special U.S. attorney, so she is in court. She can fight in court just like she was, and we believe we will be successful. on appeal, and I'll tell you, Lindsay Halligan, I talked to all of our U.S. attorneys, the majority of them around the country, and Lindsay Halligan is an excellent U.S. attorney, and shame on them for not wanting her in office. Thank you all.
Thank you guys very much.